This is the chart of the Nifty here. We can just sorry, this is the chart of the bank Nifty here, right? So we are going to analyze for Friday what kind of the setup we are going to have in the Nifty and the bank Nifty. That is a key point, right? So as you had seen today, this is a chart of the bank Nifty. What short of the like a gap down we had, very much this gap down is not even filled up during the day, although it tried in the first gap down itself. So that shows that there was a short of buying also was happening by taking the support of this one, right? 34,600, right? This has played a kind of support zone, and if you see in the same support zone where the market actually reversed in the beginning of the first session, that's morning itself, and there around it has tried to close the market, right, in spite of falling here. That made the low of 34,450 around and all, and this thing already I had said in few days back, if it breaks the 34,700 we are going to see somewhere else bank Nifty 34,450 and 80 zone. I am right to say, right? So tomorrow what should we do and look at in the both the indices, right, in the Nifty and the bank Nifty? For me, in order to understand this, so let us go in the daily chart, right, so that it becomes easier for us. Yeah, if you look at this side right here, so this gap down, although it often gap down, but the body and like weak as a quite the way it has been formed, that we are able to see a kind of, this is a dozy pattern. Now in spite of gap down, it didn't really touch the low of this 14th of June that we had the fall, right? That also was like 34,374, and it today's low is 34,458, right? So the interesting part, so tomorrow I am able to see the market likely to open gap up or flat, but tomorrow will not be having the very sharp selling as that of the today. It happened in the second half. So first half tomorrow I am able to see the market as a bullish only. And the interesting part of this is, you can see here, this is the chart, this is the candle of the 21st of May, right? And it had closed 34,606, and today's closing also is just next to that, right? That means just a point away from here. So tomorrow I will be seeing the bank Nifty also opening up gap up, although it was trying to give a good consolidation here around, right? So tomorrow we're likely to see bank Nifty to touch 34,950. That will be a resistance for the bank Nifty. Okay, so tomorrow wait for the what is called market, what is called, we call it the price actions. We need to watch there. In order to understand this, where should we take the trade tomorrow, let me explain you here so that it becomes easier, right? So you can initiate your trade above here at 34,700 and 700 above, right? If it trades above here for more than at least 20 minutes, you can take straight away a short trade that will take you to this position even, right? 34,800, 950. That is the ultimate that I am able to see in the bank Nifty. What about the Nifty? We should understand Nifty looks so quite interesting because it is a heavyweight index, right? We have the 50 stocks very strongly. Although Reliance has tried its level best, in spite of falling, it tried to give the upper side closing. That is a chart of the what is called Reliance, which I am not showing you, but this is a chart of the Nifty. Look at here. In spite of falling here, it has very closely come to the low of this, right? That was the day we call it 14th of June, but it didn't really touch. So one way you can understand is a double top, a double bottom, right? So from here sometime market may reverse back to the this side, and definitely Nifty will try to come to this level 15,830. This is the zone I am able to see, and above this, if it sustains, we are going to see a rally on the upper side in the Nifty I am talking about. That is the short term, but tomorrow we need to see where the market is closing. If market is able to close above here 15,750, 60, that's quite good. Then we can see in the days to come as a bullish, right, in the Nifty as well. So Nifty I am looking bullish and gap up opening, so you can initiate your trade in Nifty, okay, above here, as I have said rightly, right, above 15,700. And downside, if it trades below here 15,650, please come out of market. Okay, that's all about it for the day.